one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
Chiwenga touts Zimbabwe as prime investment hub at India-Africa Business Conclave. The 28th of August 2025. Spread the love. By business correspondent, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga has declared Zimbabwe a ready and reliable partner for global investors, urging Indian and African businesses to pursue joint ventures that deliver mutual economic growth. Speaking at the 20th India-Africa Business Conclave, held at Taj Palace Hotel in New Delhi, Chiwenga emphasized that relations between Africa and India extend far beyond trade. Africa and India share a relationship that goes beyond commerce. It is a partnership anchored in shared values, sovereignty, self-determination, and mutual respect, values forged during our respective struggles for independence, he said. He dismissed notions of dependency, stressing that Africa was meeting India and the world, not as former colonies seeking assistance and handouts, but as equal partners committed to building pathways of opportunity, progress, and prosperity. The Vice President outlined Africa's growing economic significance, noting its youthful and dynamic population. Africa offers the world more than just resources. We bring markets, talent, and innovation. By 2050, Africa will house over 2.5 billion people, driving consumer demand, industrialization, and infrastructure development on an unprecedented scale, he told delegates. Turning to Zimbabwe, Chiwenga pitched the country as one of the most competitive investment destinations in Africa. Zimbabwe is open for business, not for extraction, but for value creation, joint ventures, partnerships, and shared growth, he said, highlighting the country's rich mineral reserves including platinum, lithium, gold, chrome, and diamonds. He said Zimbabwe's resources positioned it as a key player in global supply chains for green technologies and advanced manufacturing. The strongest partnerships are not built on what one party can take from the other, but on what both can create together for the mutual economic benefit of its citizenry, Chiwenga added. The Vice President urged India and Africa to strengthen South-South cooperation, saying, together with India, we can write the next great chapter of South-South cooperation, demonstrating to the world that partnerships among developing nations can drive innovation, build industries, and create a more equitable global economy. Zimbabwe is ready, Africa is ready,